In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find saved stickers on WhatsApp. Stickers make conversations more expressive, and knowing exactly where your saved ones live will save you time every time you chat. First, open WhatsApp. You can do this on your phone or on WhatsApp web in a browser. Make sure you're signed in and everything has loaded. Stickers are accessed from within a conversation, so open any chat. This can be a one-on-one or a group. You don't need to send anything. We're just using the message box to reveal the sticker panel. Look for the emoji icon near the text field. On most phones, it's a smiley face next to where you type. On desktop, it's also right by the typing area. Tap or click that emoji icon to open the panel where you can choose emojis, GIFs, and stickers. Next, switch to stickers. In the emoji panel, select the sticker icon. It usually looks like a small square sticker with a folded corner. If you're on desktop, you may see tabs along the top or side. Choose the one for stickers. Once you're on the sticker panel, you're in the right place to find everything you've saved. To see your saved favorites, find the star tab on the bottom menu of the sticker panel. Tap the star and you'll see all the stickers you've previously marked as favorites in one convenient list. If this section looks empty, it just means you haven't favorited any yet, and that's okay. Your favorites will appear here the moment you mark them in future chats. If you have a lot of stickers, give the panel a second to load and then scroll to browse. Now, if you want to check the sticker packs you've downloaded, look to the top right corner of the sticker panel for the plus icon. Tap the plus to open the sticker store view. From here, go to the My Stickers tab. This tab shows every sticker pack you've added to your account, so if you're trying to find a specific pack you downloaded earlier, this is where it lives. You can open a pack to preview what's inside and confirm it's the one you were looking for. A few quick tips as you navigate. The exact placement of these icons can vary slightly between Android, iPhone, and desktop, but the emoji icon, sticker tab, star tab, and plus button are always very close to the message box. If you don't immediately see the star or plus, expand the sticker panel or look for a row of small tabs along the bottom. That's it. Open a chat, tap the emoji icon, switch to stickers, check the star tab for favorites, and use the plus icon to view my stickers for your downloaded packs. Happy chatting!